Hello friends, today what we are going to see is an AI based uh, research tool which can be very useful for research purposes. It can be a literature review, or it can be creating a citation from a particular article, or it can be paraphrasing it. So SciSpace is a one particular tool which is very much helpful actually. So if you just type SciSpace in internet, uh, Google, so you will get this site. So AI chart of or scientific PDFs. It actually works for science PDFs like medical or engineering things, but even you can find out the social science papers as well in here. So this is you can upload a file to it and you can save it into your library. Otherwise, you can ask any of the questions and you will get certain information based upon that. That is if you go for a home page. And if you want to search a literature review, you can do that as well. So suppose I am asking a particular question, any question you can ask here. So just I'm asking some suggested question only here, just to show you how it works. So when you write something and it searches the papers regarding related to that. So these are those papers related to the climate change that we have given as commanded for. And also it also gives the overall how many papers that it has. So 10 papers it has. uh, it is showing 10 papers now. So based on the 10 papers, the overall insight is it also gives the overall insight of 10 papers, and as well as the particular paper insights also it will give you what does paper this lacks, what does the paper lacks, that will be given as a insight here. So you can work upon those things as a research gaps as well. So then it is regarding the literature review part. And if you go for a copilot option, there is one more thing called copilot option. So if I upload some PDF to it, so the copilot, it reads out, see how much usage was there, all the impact factor, general impact factor, and basic information about the page, I mean about the journal as well. It gives all these things, and you can ask for a particular questions as well. Explain me the abstract of the paper in 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines, how much you want. You can put the number, so it will give you the abstract of it, and you can see the many questions that you can ask through science space copilot option. Okay, there is one more thing called citation generator, so which is many people will be using it. So you can just copy paste a URL here. So I'm just taking some URL. So let me take some URL and paste it here, and I'm pasted it. So it has detected the article title, and as well as it's we know that based upon the DOI number, it is easy to identify the article. So it has detected the article, and you can ask for cite. So the moment when you ask for cite, it gives the citation. So it has given the citation in APA 7th edition format, and in text citation also it has given the same. So this is how you can just copy it and paste it wherever you wanted in your article. So this is how you can get a citation easily. And paraphrasing, you know that it is an AI tool. There are many AI tools which paraphrases things. Here also you can try some thing and it will paraphrase definitely for sure, based upon the length and the variations. Okay, and AI detector, it is one of the nowadays many of the plagiarism softwares are coming up with AI detectors. So how much the content that you have written is uh, seems to be written by AI. That is what it analyzes. Actually, I have pasted some content here and I'm just analyzing it. So the AI report says that 35% of this seems to be written by AI, and which parts seems to be written by AI also they marked it. Okay, and that is why it is staying moderate AI. And if it is low AI, it is fine. If it is moderate AI and high AI, you have to modify those sentences accordingly so that it will not show the AI written content. So these were the things that are available in the SciSpace, and even the library feature also you can uh, explore. You can put up all your articles in it and you can search from those articles whenever you wanted. It acts as like Mendeley as well, this reference manager. But I can say that it is science, I mean SciSpace is one in all website where you can utilize all those things. Like paraphrasing, you don't need to go for some other thing, and plagiarism, you don't need to go for some other thing, and sentence making, you don't need to go for some other thing. So here everything you can get it in this SciSpace. So that's why I feel it is very useful for the researcher point of view. So you can use it, and you can also explore many of the other options present in here. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.